Sir, time within some time of one.
Yes.
7 minutes.
Allocation of time 7 minutes. So maximum you can spend 7 times here on the dice. Then 3 minutes. That the question is from the audience. We welcome the questions from the audience, from student community. And also I have given the authority to the jury members. They can also pose relevant questions. So because there are 10 marks allocated to this part as well. So after the completion, after the presentation is over, then 3 minutes are reserved for the question answer session. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Honorable Zonal Educational Officer, respected teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mumin Abadwani and I'm a student of Madrasa Talim al-Islam, as I have introduced myself just before. And presently I am studying in class 10th. So today I stand before you to talk about a scientific innovation and its crucial role in shaping a sustainable future, and my particular focus will be on the alternate sources of energy. As you know, today we face pressing environmental challenges and we need to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Therefore, the scientific innovation is the key for unlocking a brighter, cleaner and a sustainable future. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the need for change. Our current energy systems heavily depend on finite resources such as coal, oil and natural gas. And these things not only affect the climate change but also cause significant health hazards. Therefore, we must embrace innovation and shift our energy paradigm towards a more sustainable and a renewable alternative. And one of the most promising areas of scientific innovation lies in the development of the alternate sources of energy. Allow me to highlight a few examples. Like, number one is solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun. The energy which we get from the sun is abundant and infinite. Advanced technologies in creating efficient solar panels and energy storage solutions, solar energy has become easily accessible and has become cost effective. Harnessing the sun's energy can provide us with a scientific innovation and is a renewable alternative for the traditional energy sources. And number two, I will talk about the wind energy. The wind turbines have become increasingly common sights around the globe. Tapping into the power to generate electricity, wind turbines have become increasingly common, and there have been advancements, continuous advancements in wind turbine design, increased efficiency, and offshore wind farms. These have made wind energy easily accessible and is another what I say alternative for the traditional energy sources. Number three is the hydroelectric power. You know it, everyone. It is common. And hydroelectric power refers to the energy that we get from the water. By constructing dams and utilizing the power of the free-flowing water, we can generate this electricity and thereby reducing our reliance on the fossil fuels. And new technologies have made it easily accessible and have reduced the impacts of hydroelectric power on the environment. Therefore, it's another part of the scientific innovation, and it's another what I say alternative for the traditional energy sources like fossil fuels. I say. Number four is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, deep inside the Earth's crust. I say deep inside the Earth's crust lies a vast amount of energy that can be converted and used to make electricity. Plants extract this energy by tapping into the hot water reservoirs or by drilling deep wells. And this energy has there's another benefit of this energy, that it reduces the greenhouse gas emissions in our environment. And number five, biomass or bioenergy. Biomass refers to the wastes that are produced from plants and animals. These wastes can be converted into energy through various processes like combustion, gasification, and fermentation. And these also reduce the wastes in our environment, as these are only made up of wastes. So they will surely reduce the wastes in our environment and also reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These are just few examples of the scientific innovation that have the power in them to transform our energy landscape and make a sustainable future. However, innovation alone is not enough. You must understand that innovation only is not enough. We must foster an environment that encourages research and development, encourages collaboration between scientists, industries, and policy makers, and invests in the necessary infrastructure for the widespread adoption of the alternate sources of energy. In conclusion, scientific innovation is the path to success. By embracing and supporting research in the alternate sources of energy, we can create an environment and make it for the sustainable development and for the better use of the so that our upcoming generations can use it. Let us recognize the immense potential of the scientific innovation and work together to build an environment that is powered by the use of the alternate sources of energy. I have many more things to say, but keeping in view the time, I am going to conclude my speech here. Hope all of you liked it.